Making sense of mixed operations with fractions and decimals. Hello, English learners. Today, we have an interesting and important topic on our hands. Mixed operations with fractions and decimals. We'll learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions and decimals, and how to convert between them seamlessly. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the operations, let's brush up on our understanding of fractions and decimals. A fraction represents a part of a whole. It has a numerator, which tells us how many parts we have, and a denominator, which tells us how many parts make up the whole. On the other hand, a decimal is a way to express a number that's less than 1, or a fraction, using powers of 10. The digits after the decimal point represent tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and so on. To add or subtract fractions, we need to make sure the denominators are the same. Once they are, we can add or subtract the numerators. For decimals, it's much easier. We just align the decimal points and add or subtract normally. Example: 1/2 plus 1/3 equals 5/6. 0.5 plus 0.333 equals 0.833. Multiplying fractions is simple. We just multiply the numerators together for the new numerator, and the denominators together for the new denominator. To divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiplying decimals involves multiplying as if they're whole numbers, and then counting the number of digits after the decimal point in the original numbers. That will be the number of digits after the decimal point in the answer. To divide decimals, we shift the decimal point in the divisor to make it a whole number, and do the same shift in the dividend. Then we divide as usual. Example: 1/2 * 2/3 equals 2/6 equals 1/3. 0.5 * 0.666 equals 0.333. Converting fractions to decimals is like performing a division. We divide the numerator by the denominator. To convert decimals to fractions, we consider the place value of the last digit. For example, if there are 3 digits after the decimal, the last digit is in the thousandths place. So we can write the decimal as a fraction over 1000, and then simplify if necessary. Example: 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. 0.666 equals 666 1/1000 equals 2/3. And that's a wrap. You've now learned how to perform mixed operations with fractions and decimals, and how to convert between them. This will be incredibly helpful in many everyday and academic situations. Remember, practice is the key to getting more comfortable with these operations. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing.